Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will quote some lines of William Henry Davies, who says, "What a life if we have no time to stand and stare." He questions the value of life consumed by worries and devoid of simple appreciation for the beauty around us. Our life focused solely on work and obligation without moment of reflection and observation. We are so much busy with our cares, concern that we miss out the simple joy of life. We indulge our whole life in earning and spending, but we care nothing about the natural scenery God has given us. Leaving all these things aside, we should enjoy the nature which has God gifted us. Thanks.